I've been yawning so fucking much. This has been taking us so long just because I've been yawning. Okay, right, fuck it. Hello, my name is jord105 and I am here with...
hiky40.
And we are doing Orks Must Die 2, so without further ado and yawning hopefully, let's go for it.
As if
after I press ready.
As if that's gonna happen.
Yeah, yawn, yawn, yawn. Constantly. I don't even know why I'm tired. It's like 20 to 8. I shouldn't be tired.
Seems legit.
I should probably be falling on silent.
Might be a good idea.
Yeah.
Was this how it would end? Trapped, surrounded, my power lost. I deserved so much more. They were coming for me. Once I was their queen, now they would be my doom. Then, out of nowhere, new rift? It was different, fragile. I felt a trickle of power returning. Barely there, not enough to mind control even a single orc. Still, the rift offered an escape. As soon as I stepped through, I saw him, standing right in front of me with that ridiculous grin plastered across his face. I only had one thing to say. Run!
I yawned about 3 times during that.
Yeah, I could hear everything that was going on.
Define everything.
Everything that was being said in it.
That's because you've got a laptop.
No, I mean I could hear it coming through your mic.
Oh wow, that's awkward. Hang on.
Gameplay. Why does my look sensitivity always go back there? There we go.
Right.
Get
Get used to the controls.
You remember this character?
Yes, naturally. Frames are dropping so much. Just randomly dropping. It's horrible.
Yet you say your computer is good at this.
It is good. It was fine until I started recording it.
Point proven. Mine's better than yours.
Yours is a laptop.
Exactly, but it still does better than yours.
Oh, yeah, press G.
For recording. Lol.
I hate you. Well, let's see how long this takes in fact. Doodle-doo. Yeah, I can't even hear mine. Let me turn it up. I can't hear a thing. I only hear you clicking incessantly.
Well, if you can't hear it, I doubt people will be able to hear it.
I've just noticed. Fuck you.
It stayed there for so long.
How long was it there?
When you said fuck you first time.
When was that? Right, okay, quickly, options, sound.
I'm about to run off the edge.
Congratulations, I can't see because I'm messing with my volume options. There we go. Casual. Just realised I have traps to play us. Oh well. Better luck next time.
Who's your mommy?
These are going to be the most boring videos we ever produced.
Well, first levels of games, it's always slow.
True, plus we've nothing to talk about. In the meantime.
Yet.
So, how's it going? Come here often?
I would like to say, what do you guys want to see us play? Stay in chat.
Well, comments.
Yeah, same thing. Sort of.
Also, if anybody can figure out why my FPS is dropping so much, if you got any of your watchers who knows this, please tell me. I could try turning the settings down a bit. Go away. Permanently. Leave my life.
Have you seen what I put in chat?
Yes! Dawn. That orc just got pushed down with spikes up his ass. I haven't used charm once, there's just no need at this point.
You have the ultimate trap set up.
Do I?
Yeah, freeze them and pour acid on them.
Well, everyone loves a good bit of acid. I believe it's sulfuric acid, possibly. I like sulfuric acid.
Nobody cares.
I do, because I like sulfuric acid, I use it all the time. It's fun stuff.
Because that's not
Don't
weird
drink
at
it. That's a general life fact, don't drink it. How are you using more mana than me?
Because my special uses quite a lot of mana. So look.
I just don't have any need to use my specials, is the issue I've got.
Ready up straight away. So that we get max skulls.
So predictable.
So much ice, so much acid.
Seems legit.
It's a shame we can't freeze the acid on them.
That'd be awesome.
That would be really funny to watch.
I wonder if there are any mods for this. I've never thought about that.
Frozen acid mod, make it. It needs to be a thing. I'm very jealous that your costume is pretty cool. My Halloween costume looks shit.
Yeah. Put it on. I want to see what it looks
I'm
like.
not putting it on, I look like a weirdo. Do it, I'll do it off camera sometime.
No, put it on so people can see it.
Fine, I'll do it next game. Look at it. It's not quite as cool as like a haunted night. Hang on, where'd you come from? Two of them got behind us.
That might be, yeah, I'm accidentally pushing them onto the minecart track. I just did again. Oh, here comes minecart, come on, come on, come on, come on, get this, come on, Jord, ah, you missed it.
I saw him flip off the edge.
The minecart hit him
I saw
from
him
behind.
fly off the edge.
The minecart hit him from behind, and he went flying.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, 5 skulls. That's perfect.
Yes! Did we get any bonus?
Plus
Yes.
5.
It's a decent amount for the first
Starbuck.
one.
Weapons. Can I get it yet? No, I need 4 more skulls to get what I want. Right, hang on. I don't want to buy anything. Right, I'll put this on just so you can see it.
So, we doing the next level then?
I may as well, that did not take that very long at all.
And there's just a minecart glitching off the track right now.
I
right
can't
for my
see that, I
face.
can just kind of see like my, well, pardon my acid trap and the rest of the screen. Hurry up.